Hello everyone, welcome to another lecture of the series Criminology being presented by CSS World. In this lecture, our topic is juvenile delinquency. Let's start this lecture now. First of all, meaning of juvenile delinquency. Keep in mind there are two words, one is juvenile and other one is delinquency. The word juvenile means minor. A minor is one who comes under the statutory age of maturity of a particular country. Remember, countries have set different ages as the age of maturity. Maximum countries of the world have set the 18 years of age as the age of maturity. So all those who are below this age are considered as the minors. And these minors are basically the juveniles. The second word is delinquency. The meaning of delinquency is crime, and we have studied that any unlawful act upon which a state or government gives punishment is called a crime, and crime here is called as delinquency. So the word juvenile means minor and delinquency means crime. Now we will study the definition of juvenile delinquency. We will simply join the meanings of both the words together and it will become the definition of juvenile delinquency. So juvenile delinquency is the act of committing a crime at a very young age. A juvenile delinquent is a young person, particularly a teenager under the age of 18, who breaches a state or federal law by committing a crime. Simply, we can say that a crime committed by a minor is called juvenile delinquency. So, the juvenile delinquency is basically a term which is used to describe the crimes of minors. Now, juvenile delinquent versus status offender. We have already studied that a juvenile delinquent is basically a minor criminal. A criminal having age less than the age set as the threshold for maturity are basically the juvenile delinquent. As these criminals are minors, so they usually don't charge strictly like the other criminals. So we have clarity about juvenile delinquent now. So we will try to understand the status offender now. Keep in mind that there are various acts which are crimes for minors only. If minors do those acts, they will be charged by the justice system. But if the same acts are done by the elders, then these acts would not be considered as the crimes and these elders would not be charged by justice system. For example, there are a number of societies where there is no ban on alcohol, but still there is no permission for minors to use such items. In such societies, if the minors use alcohol, then they will charged because they are not allowed to use it. But if the elders are doing so, then there is no punishment for them because the laws allow them to do so. So the minors who commit such acts for which they are charged by justice system, as these acts are crimes for them, are called the status offenders. Now what are the penalties for minors? Keep in mind that there are no hardcore penalties for the minors. Justice system charge these minors just for rehabilitation. They usually sent for a course so that they may get counseling against the crimes which they have committed. Sometimes the justice system also asks the parents of such children to attend the course so that they may become able to bring their children up properly so that they may not commit crimes in future. Official statistics of juvenile delinquency. There are official stats of various departments in every country. These stats are regarding the minors of that country who are committing the crimes. These stats basically help in understanding the overall situation of juvenile delinquency in the country. They tell that how much children are doing that and what the situation of justice system is when it comes to the point to go through those cases. In case of Pakistan, according to official stats of April 2021, The number of juvenile in Punjab jails accounted for 540, in Sindh 260, in KP 510, and in Balochistan 55. Besides it, the stats also show that there are a lot of problems in justice system regarding the juvenile delinquency. So this was all from today's lecture. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more videos. Goodbye.